Hello people, anyone that's looking to look and buy an FM transmitter, I advise you to buy this. I've done a bit of research on Google. This is the best rating of 2021. You can put USB stick, connect it with your phone by Bluetooth, charge your phone, answer phone calls, quick setup. You just have to connect it with your Bluetooth, put it on your lighter, press channel. I set up mine up on 108. Turn your car on, your radio on. Find on your radio channel 108. If you want to register it on a button, just hold down the button until you hear a beep, and it will be saved on that channel every time you turn your car on. You'll automatically every time you turn your car on, connect your phone. So very easy to use and great. You can change songs on this little thing. Bought it off Amazon for £16. The make is Unbreakable. Very good and easy to use. I'd advise you, if you're looking to buy one for your old radio, very good. Very easy to use. Thank you guys. Hope this helped. Take care.